Hey everyone, in this video, I want to show you how a voice agent that I have created for taking pizza order. It's called Taking Order Bot. And let me just first show you how it works, and then I can explain how I created it. So I'm going to call the bot from my phone and see how the bot will respond, and it will take a pizza order from me. So let me just call the number. 6. So I'm calling the number and the bot will pick it up after 4 rings. And the reason it's 4 rings because it tries to forward to another number. If the other number does not pick up, then the bot will pick it up.
Hey, you have reached Awesome Pizzeria. How can I help you today?
Hi, I would like to place an order, please.
Great. Are you looking for delivery or takeout?
For delivery.
Awesome. What would you like to order today?
Do you have anything special?
Yes, we do. We have a special offer of 2 medium pizzas for $14.99. Would you like to go for that? And if so, any toppings you'd like to add?
Sure. Yeah, let's take the special. Plus, I want to add another pizza, medium pizza, please.
All right, so that's 2 medium pizzas from the special and 1 additional medium pizza. Would you like any toppings on these? Each topping is 75 cents.
Yes, for the first one, I want mushroom and onion. The second one, olive and bell pepper. And the third one, I'd like to have extra cheese.
Perfect. So the first pizza has mushrooms and onions, the second one has olives and bell peppers, and the third one comes with extra cheese. Let me calculate your total.
Well, before
The
you do
special is
that, can you send me the menu? Do you have a menu?
I am sending you an SMS with a link to our menu. Let me know once you received it. I've sent the menu to you. Now let's get back to your order. The
Okay,
total for your order is $26.97. Can I have your name, please?
So here is the link. I got it. I got the link right there. Yes, hold on one
Now
second.
could you
Let me take a look at the menu. Okay, I see the menu. All right, let's go ahead. Sorry, what are you saying?
No worries. I was just asking for your name to complete the order. Could you please share it with me?
Yes, Bashir, Bashir.
Just to make sure I've got it right, your name is Bashir. Is that correct?
Yes.
Great, Bashir. Could I have your email address, please?
It's bahmed@snet.net.
Just to make sure I've got it right, your email address is bahmed@snet.net. Is that correct?
That's correct. Oh, and I changed my mind. I want to pick it up, the pizza, instead of delivery. Can I pick it up?
Sure thing. We'll have your order ready for pickup. It'll be ready in 30 minutes at our location, 123 Pulaski Highway, Newcastle, DE. Thanks for your order, Bashir.
Thank you. Okay, so you can see this voice agent picked up pretty much, talked to me just like a person. It's even better than a person, when almost like a normal human. And here I got a notification on my phone. My order has been placed with the summary of the order. Hopefully you can see it. the total, everything in there. So it worked perfect. There is no glitch whatsoever. So now let me kind of show you what I did to create the bot using Go High Level. So I have my bot here. The name of the bot is called Order Taking Bot, and the voice here. I pick up a voice, and what is really important here is this voice agent goals. That's where all the sauce is made. You have to give the bot the right instruction in here, and this instruction makes all the difference. Now, I have given an instruction in a way that the bot will take the water, and then say certain things. And it's not a very long instruction. You can tell is this instruction the bot follows and is able to take the water. Now, what it does, as you can see, I set up some actions for the bot to do. Now, remember, it sent me an SMS during the conversation, and I set this up as a send SMS message for example. One of the action I instructed the bot to do, send an SMS, for here, send the SMS pizza menu, right? So I asked the bot to send this link to the caller. When it should do that? If the caller asks for the menu. Remember, during the call, in the middle of a call, I said, "Can I see the menu?" And it really followed this instruction and sent me the SMS, right? Another one that I said, order confirmation. After the order is placed, send out an SMS. So there is an instruction in here. So it follows instruction that you give it, and it worked really well. The other thing that I have done here is also call transfer. So let's say in the middle of the conversation, someone says, "You know what? I don't want to talk to you anymore. I want to talk to a person." So the bot can transfer to somebody. So for example, here I said, transfer it to my home number. If somebody asks, if the caller wants to speak to person or manager or human user, transfer the call and give a number that you want to transfer it to, for example. And it works like a charm. So in the middle of the conversation, if I would have said, "Can you transfer it to person?" it would have transferred the call to a number. And then after the call is finished, when the call is finished and I ask it to start a workflow, pizza order notification. The purpose of this pizza order notification is once the call is finished, you want the store to start making the pizza and get it ready. So you're notifying the store to that there's a new order, they can start preparing it. So this bot seemed to work perfect, and I was very, very impressed. Now I'm going to just scroll through this instruction for you to follow if you want to follow it. So first thing is the part of the prompt is you give a little bit of background. What do you want the bot to follow? For example, let me take this instruction here, and what I'll do, I'll put it in a Word document. Copy this. Let's copy this instruction. I'll take a Word. Let's create a blank document. So what you see in this instruction here is that first you have to give a little bit of background to the bot, So in the background section, as you can still see, I'm saying you are an order taking bot, a dedicated customer support specialist at Awesome Pizzeria, focusing on assisting my clients. Your goal: help callers place an order to buy pizza, gather contact information, confirm order details, notify business owner that an order has been placed. And so, you're telling the bot what to do. Your goal is to take pizza order, collect name, collect email, collect address. If applicable, use the appropriate tool when the caller's query matches the configured tool trigger, right? So what you're saying is, if there is instruction below, the bot should follow the instruction. It should not try to make up stuff. So you got to give a little background. And then here's your instructions for handling the queries. If the caller asks a question, check whether the question matches a tool's trigger condition. What you are saying is, if the question matches a tool's trigger condition, use the tool immediately without gathering additional information. So, for example, if a user is asking for takeout, there is no need to ask the question for delivery address, for example. Only ask for the delivery address if they want the pizza to be delivered. So that's kind of thing that you have to worry about. So here you can see the different instructions, and then general rules for handling callers' queries. Avoid asking for further details regarding their query, and do not repeat the same sentence verbatim, etc. And then there is obviously my instructions. This is the specific instruction I'm telling the bot to follow. First one here is for the taking order, basically saying, ask the caller if placing the pizza order for delivery or takeout. That's the first thing you can see. And then after the caller has answered, ask the caller if they would, so basically you're telling bot, what to offer to the customer here. Once it has this information, it takes the order, then it's requesting the caller's name, and you're giving instructions how to collect the caller's name. There's very specific details about, what to do about the caller's name. Same thing for the email address. Make sure that you confirm it with spelling it out, etc., etc. And then the last part here, request the caller's address. Now here is the caller's address request. You're instructing, request this only if the order places for delivery, and confirm it. There's no need to ask for address if it is for takeout, right? And then order final confirmation. You are giving specific instruction here. So the key is, with this instruction, this is for a pizza business. You could make this instruction for any type of a business, right? And that would kind of make the option to be able to create a voice agent for any type of a business if you can give the right instructions. And then phone availability, which phone number to monitor, and then this shows you the amount of time I've been using this bot for different purpose. So hopefully that gives you the idea of how advanced this voice assistants are becoming, and you should be able to automate any type of a business with voice agent. I hope this kind of video gives you some inspiration what can be done and what is possible. One thing that I'm struggling with this bot is my customers wants the bot to not just take the order, they also want the payment to be made by the bot as well. But that is not possible at the moment. there's no out of the box solution for it because of privacy and the security reason. And if you have built a voice AI agent that takes payment from the customers already, I would love to hear about your solution. And I really appreciate some help in there because I'm trying to find a solution, easy solution that can be integrated with the voice AI agent. That would be fantastic. So I look forward to hear from you. Hopefully this video has given you something to or some inspiration to create your own agent and go for it. Thanks for watching.